Look at my babies. They just eaten eggs today. Thank you, May May, for always bringing eggs for us. Look, look. Darcy doesn't eat his egg because, I don't know. I think he's angry. Hello, Custard. Custard, look at here. Good girl, darling. Good girl. Good. Bye. We have 7 eggs here. 1, I give it to Lulu. This is a documentary said that Meladine won't be angry with me because she says I have only 1 egg. She left 9 eggs here, so I ate 1 and I give it to Lulu 1. So total of 9 eggs, and now just only 7 eggs left. So we're going to give it to our babies right now. Okay? Of course, my baby first, the queen of gentle dry. Good girl, darling, good girl. And second, Amber. Yeah. One is Ollie. The prince of Chancery Lane. Ta-na-na-na. And Ollie, quickly eat. Ollie, don't eat like that. Good boy. Custard, even you stick to Darcy. I won't give you, okay? It's Darcy's turn, okay? Yes, Darcy, right? Right, Darcy, you're going to eat your egg now. Nako, terrible. Look at everyone. They love eggs. Darcy, look at here. May May, look at Darcy. She doesn't like to eat eggs. No, it's not you, darling. May May, she doesn't like to eat eggs. He doesn't like it. May May, Darcy doesn't like to eat egg. This is not yours. You already eaten yours, darling. Darcy. 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 Don't like it?